How to cancel an Airfrance flight. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can cancel an Airfrance flight. So kindly watch to the end, alright? The first step is to log in into your Airfrance account just like I have done here. And that was your logged in, I have brought to the home page. You can see different options here, right? You can see your Air France logo by the top left corner, and below it you can see options like book a flight, check in, my bookings, information, and by the time you scroll down you'll see other options as well. So on this page, the next step to do is to go ahead and click on my bookings tab, all right, which is next to check in. So just click on my bookings, and by the time you click on my bookings, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see all of your bookings thus far on the Air France site. All right. So once you can see this, the next step is to navigate through to the flight that you'd like to cancel. Currently, my bookings page is empty because I have not made any bookings on my Air France account. But for you, you would see all of your bookings in here. So just select the booking or select the flights that you like to cancel. And after selecting the flight, by the right side of the flight, you would see a different option. Just select cancel, and then you'll be asked if you want to cancel or with reason. Select yes or whatever, and then once you're done, the flights will be cancelled automatically, and then you can now contact the customer service to resolve how you can get a refund of your money. Okay, and to contact the customer service is not difficult. Just go to the top left corner, click on the three dashes, click on contact us, and then you can now reach out to the customer service. So this is basically how you can go about it. This is how you can cancel an Air France flight. So ensure you cancel that flight that you want to today. Thanks for watching.